Hello and welcome back to another NFT Atlas video, where today we'll be showing you how to set up and download Phantom app to your Chrome browser and have it as an add-on extension. So you might have heard of Phantom before. It's a wallet just like MetaMask, which I'm sure you've heard about, that is specific for Solana and the Solana blockchain. It says here, Phantom makes it safe and easy for you to store, buy, send, receive, swap tokens and collect NFTs on the Solana blockchain. So this will be an app that's useful particularly nowadays, with Solana being a very popular token, as Ethereum is slowly becoming less valuable. But we'll be showing you how to install it all, how to download it and how to set up your wallet, and then get you all ready for buying Solana. So to start things off, guys, you'll be needing to go on to the actual website itself. At the top you can see here phantom.app. So if you can just type that into your Google or your Chrome browser, you'll get up to this page here, and in the overview tab there's an option to download, or you can actually even watch a tutorial as well. We won't be watching that just now. We'll be clicking on download just to download the add-on for your Chrome browser. So it says here Phantom for mobile. You can actually get it for your mobile, so we probably would recommend that you have that, as the app itself is certainly very easy and easy to use on your mobile phone, but for the sake of using it for a desktop, we can see here that there is an option to download for Chrome, Brave, Firefox and Microsoft Edge. So if I can click Chrome here, it will load up my extensions and I can add it on to Chrome here. You can click through to make sure it's the correct one, and hit add to Chrome, and then it just says add extension. So I'll let that download. That'll take a moment or two to download, but that was it, already downloaded, and we'll get straight through to this page here. And it says straight away Phantom, a crypto wallet reimagined for DeFi and NFTs. So straight away you have the option to create a new wallet or already have a wallet. So this video is from scratch. So if you don't have a wallet to use, and working from zero, we'll be using this option here to create a new wallet. So straight away you're already asked to create up a password. So we're just making an account here, guys. So we'll be setting this up for just now, and typing in a random password here. Just the one that we are familiar with. Of course, agree to the terms and service, and then click continue. Then you have your secret recovery phase. The phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. So we'll get this phrase with every kind of wallet that we set up. So make sure you write this down, ideally pen and paper, rather than having it digitally stored. So once you've clicked I save my, it will allow you to continue. So I'm going to have a look at mine, guys, and then continue. So I've looked at my code, I've clicked continue, and then the next option is just remind you of a keyboard shortcut. So you can open Phantom at any time by using the handy keyboard shortcut Alt, Up and P. I probably won't bother with that. I'll hit continue, and then you are all done. So follow along with product updates or reach out if you have any questions. You can access their Twitter or whatever else. So hit finish, and then that is all set up. So we're actually going to close this page. Well, actually I'm going to go over to my add-on page over here. So we click the option up here and we have extensions, and you'll see you have all your extensions available here. I'm going to click the pin option now for Phantom, and we'll see that this pops up now over here. If I can click that, here we have our wallet. So that's our wallet one. We have the option now to deposit or send Solana, and obviously we'll be able to use this now to purchase NFTs via Solana. What we'll do is we'll click through the tabs just to show you what everything does. So of course we can use this now to connect to any market like OpenSea or Coinbase, and we have of course the Solana here is the blockchain. If we click this option here, there's the option to add, connect other wallets, or lock your wallet. On the home page here, it tells you how money that you have and Solana that you have. And as I say, we can deposit or send it if we wish to do so by clicking the deposit option. There's an option here. It gives you a kind of list of what tokens that you have and what quantity. Of course, Solana being the top. You can add by buying with MoonPay or transferring with FTX. By clicking this option for MoonPay, you can obviously spend how much US dollars to buy however Solana. So that makes it quick and easy to get Solana and crypto onto your wallet. So MoonPay makes it very easy to do so. I'll close that for just now and can go back to close. And once you add it, of course, you'll see that the values here for 0 Solana will obviously change as you put more token credit into your wallet. If I click over here, there's an option for your collectibles. So just now I don't have any collectibles. It's a new wallet, but any collectibles that you obtain will display in here. Next tab we have is this transfer transaction tab. So here you'll be able to very easily transfer any of your tokens to other tokens. So for example, if I pay X amount of Solana, I can change it to USDT, or easily I can change it to anything else. So there's options here for Ethereum, Radium, and Ethereum as well. So that could be obviously quite useful if I had Solana, 100 Solana, and I change it to Ethereum. I would be able to receive once it loads here. I don't think it's loading just now, but it did for USD. So for example, I would receive this amount for 100 Solana. Take that away just now, and there is a best price, a slippage tolerance, which you can obviously change, estimated fees and price impact. So if I put that in again, for example, it just tells you the best price there, the estimated fees for a transaction, and the price impact of that. So I can now, obviously, if I wanted to do that, I'd review the order. Of course, I don't have any Solana to be able to do that transaction, which is why that comes up as red. Again, it's just we don't hear of any activity, and you have your settings page here, so you can trust different wallets, display your language. You can change the name of your wallet if you wanted to, and add some security, and obviously get it all set up for you. So that's a run through, guys, of how Phantom Wallet works, and of course you can use this to, as I say, to connect to any marketplace and get your NFTs that you wish with the Solana blockchain. Alrighty. Thanks very much, guys, for watching this tutorial. If you have any comments or any ideas for new videos, make sure you comment, like and subscribe. Thanks very much, guys, for watching. Peace.